Do you want to receive PayPal payment just like this? Over $300, and right here another $200, or even big payment, just like these over $900. What if there's a way where you can repeat these in less than 60 seconds again and again? And you can do this from basically any country in the world. This opportunity requires no experience records, no money at all to get started because this is 100% free. And all it takes is just a couple of clicks of a button, and you can do this on your phone, or you can do this on your computer. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step exactly how to do this, and how to start earning hundreds and hundreds of dollars in PayPal money every single day. And if you stick with me until the end of this video, I'll show you a bonus tip that can help you to earn double the money compared to other people. But before we start, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can see here the real actual payment proof of the total earnings from the person. From there you can see the payment proof and reviews. When you scroll down below, you can see here a review by this person from this country. You can read all of the proofs and reviews over onto this page. And from there, you can see here PayPal money in US dollars, actual payment. And also this person is from another country, and you can read this person's review over here in this section. This is 100% true and it helps a lot. Right here, you can see $30 US in payments straight into a PayPal account, and you can see hundreds of people are earning from the Philippines, Sudan, Indonesia as well, people from Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, you can see here United States, and the United Kingdom. So many different people from different countries, and they're getting paid real money right here on this website. First of all, I want you to go on to this website, which is paydera.com. Now don't close this video or skip any part of this video. Make sure to keep watching because I'll show you the actual examples. I will literally go on and log into my account and show you my actual earnings. As you can see, that's my name right here. And this is my actual earnings on paydera.com. I'll walk you through the entire process and exactly how to do this and make your first 10 or even hundreds of dollars. And you can quickly withdraw your PayPal money straight into your PayPal account, just like all of these guys from different countries in the world. Once again, on paydera.com, you can find different online jobs that you can do, but without any previous experience, you can do this as a complete new beginner. And you can still get paid free PayPal money. Now you can get paid by doing multiple simple parts on this website without leaving your home. And this is available worldwide in all countries. And you can do this by simply using your mobile phone or your computer on this website. They have unlimited time and unlimited job offers. And you can simply invite your friends and you can earn referral commissions as well. You can get an instant PayPal money once you receive $5. You can immediately cash out your earnings within 24 hours. So basically, there are different ways to make money on this website. For example, different sign-up tasks. You can sign up on different offers to make money. And once again, in just a moment, I'll show you a lot of real-life examples of how you can simply click on a few buttons and make a few dollars very quickly from here. The second way is to make money by completing different surveys. So once again, I'll show you a real-world example of how you can complete different surveys. And I'll show you a special trick to earn 10 times more or 20 times more money compared to other people. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Moving on, you can upload different videos. You can invite your friends, refer your friends, or you can write different articles and share your review and show them on proof of your earnings. And you can get paid as well, just like all of these guys. Once you make money on this website, they share testimonials. They write a simple review with just a few sentences, and they get paid again and again on this website. So at a time when I'm recording this video, paydera.com has over 900,000 members, over 7 million tasks completed, and over $1 million payment already, sent out to people from different countries in the world. Very important to make sure you keep watching because I'll show you a real-life example. I'll show you inside my dashboard. I'll walk you through every step and every detail so you can cash out your free PayPal money. So right now, if you want to sign up for a free account, all you have to do is click on this button to create an account. And from there, that's going to take you to this page where you can create a free account and start making money. Now just put in your first name, your last name, and your username, your email address, put in your password, and you can sign up for free right here by just clicking on this button. And right here, once you log into your account, we can see your username right here on top, and you can see your earnings. This is my earnings right now. So from there on your dashboard, you can find different things that you can do. For example, you can start making different videos to make money. You can do different micro tasks, and right here, you can see a whole list of different tasks that you can do all the way from number 1 to number 8. And when you scroll down below, you can see surveys. You can do different surveys to make money as well, and they pay you a lot of money. If you use a special trick, which I'll reveal to you at the end of this video, you can earn 10 times more money compared to other people. On top of that, there are different quizzes and referral commissions as well, where you can refer your friends and make money. Say for example, when you click on these tasks, and then you're gonna come onto this page, you can find different offers that you can do, and you can just click on any of these sections on the top. You can see here, there are so many different offers that you can do on your mobile phone or on your computer. And as you can see, there are different jobs that you can do. For example, this one over here, you can earn this amount of money, and right here where you can also earn another amount of money. Now I know that this is not paying you a lot of money, but I think it's that the more jobs that you do, you can increase your earnings. Once you complete 10 jobs in a row, every single time you complete 10 jobs, they're gonna double your money. And that's exactly how people from different countries in the world, people from the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, India, Philippines, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, people from different countries, they're able to make $30 again and again right here on this website. It will only take you a couple of seconds to click on different buttons and make money again and again. You can multiply your earnings every single time when you complete 10 different jobs. So on top of different tasks that you can do, you can actually click on the surveys, which is very simple to do. Right over here, you can find different surveys that you can do. For example, 40 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, and so on. There are just so many different surveys, and they are very easy. All you have to do is click on the button again and again, and you're going to get paid. And I'll show you a secret to multiply your earnings in just a moment. So let's just say if I want to do the survey, you can just click on this button to take the survey for that, and that's going to take you to this page. You can see here the rewards are actually this amount of money. Now once again, I'll show you a trick because you don't have to actually seriously answer the question. You can just keep on clicking on the next button. Now let's say if we click on the Start Survey button. From there, that's going to take me to this page. You can see the actual reward over here. And when I scroll down below, you can see here that's actually the first question. This will vary depending on what survey you click on, so you can simply click on any of them. For example, if I click on this, now when I scroll down below, I'll just find a little button. You can see that's actually the next button. They try to make it hidden on a page because what they want you to do is that they want to put in a lot of ads. As you can see here, all of these advertisements on this website, and they try to catch your attention. And every single time when you click on any of these ads, the owner of the website, which is Paydera, is going to make money when you click on the ads. That's the reason why they pay you to do different surveys, because they try to put in a lot of ads on their website. But you and I are not clicking on the ads. All we're gonna do is just click on the answer, scroll down below and look for the hidden button. The next button, just click on that. You can see here another payment right here. We'll go down below, just click on any of these answers because they don't actually care. You can just randomly click on any of these answers and just look for the next button. And once again, you can see the exact same thing. Just repeat the same process. Scroll down below to continue, and that's all you gotta do. Look at how simple it is. Another payment every single time you click on a button. You earn this amount of money. Once again, click on any of these answers and click on the next button. It's very simple. I don't want to waste any of your time. You can just repeat this as much as you want. And you can find different surveys and just click on the next or click on the continue button again and again and earn 40 cents to 50 cents. Repeat this every single day. So that's exactly how we can make money on the surveys, by just simply clicking on the buttons. And right here for referrals. That's another bonus way to make money. Right now, I'm having this amount of referrals. I don't actually work on this a lot, but this is another bonus income stream that you can get. For me, I actually have a lot of ways to get a lot of free referrals. If you want me to help you to get free referrals, if you want me to send you free PayPal money, what you are going to do is that you can subscribe to the channel, you can turn on the notification bell, and you can like this video and share this video out with your friends and leave a comment down below. I'll pick 10 people and send you free referrals straight into your PayPal account, and you can receive instant free PayPal money. As you can see here, that's exactly how different people from different countries in the world are. They're able to cash out hundreds of dollars every single day right here and get free PayPal money on Paydera.com. And that's it! Before we go, Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.